Okay, now our vegetables are cooked down a little bit. We can add our meat. Now, what I should say about wok cooking is that wok cooking is done on a really high heat, which is great because the moisture from all this evaporates. And we don't get a stir fry that's soupy. So we added in our chicken. We're going to mix them up with the vegetables, let it brown, and it will just cook through. Stir it a lot. So that little bit of prep time will make a really big payoff. And just continue stirring it until the chicken is cooked all the way through. It usually takes about 5-6 minutes.